Wow, 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 wow. This is the best time you should be alive. Seriously, I have a very wonderful opportunity for you. You have been struggling trading, you have been struggling managing your trade, you've been struggling in many ways. You thought forex trading is a scam or it's so difficult and all of that. Look no further. Solution is available for you. One of the fantastic things is that I just want to show you at a glance the opportunity you have in the space. It's so easy. Though trading is not easy. Anyone who tells you that trading is easy is lying because it has to do with mental activity. It's very, very difficult. That's the truth. To trade is difficult. No one should lie to you. If anyone tell you trading is not difficult, it's lying. Trading is difficult because it's mechanical. It's you have to be highly disciplined. You have to have a whole lot of things about trading to make it. And that to make profit today does not guarantee you're going to make profit tomorrow. I'm not scaring any of us, but guess what? AI is not left out in trading industry. Go and ask. The rate at which AI has simplified trading today is amazing. So powerful, so simple. Now look at it. I will start from mine. Look at this is my trading view, ladies and gentlemen. Look at my trading view. One of the first difficult, because I'm a mentor, I train, we have an academy. One of the most difficult aspects of putting beginners through is trading view. Because that's the play you do technical analysis. And guess what? The thing they find difficult again to follow is how to draw trend line and other features, navigating the platform. But guess what? I have tools that automatically draw trend line for me, even if I know how to draw it. But I can't draw as perfect as a machine. But even if I know how to draw it, do I have all the time? What we're looking for is result. I must not lie to us. Money is what you need. Yeah, it's good to have the basic knowledge. Now, guess what? Even the knowledge to acquire knowledge in this space now is very simple. You heard about how people trade with ChatGPT. People trade with so many softwares without using. You don't pay for ChatGPT. You have free account. You can go to ask ChatGPT or voice and tell, please give me the trading as you trade, PS as you trade today, and then tell me the strategy as you use and all of that. It's going to tell you. And then, but of course, if you do not have basic forex education or trading education, in case of crypto, stock, and all of that, it may be difficult a little. And that's one of the things. You're going to come to Plan B Express. We're not charging you to be part. In Forex, we have a powerful support system, a broker that is so amazing, dynamic, ready, and the leadership we have there is so fantastic. That guy is exceptional. Why? We have good, fantastic support, opportunity that can help you to make it in the forex market. Simple. Now, one of it is that automation, AI support system, scanners. There's so many things. And guess what? Most of those things are free. Once you're able to fund your account, you get started with us. Guess what? How much do you need to start funding your account? Minimum of $100. Get started with us and all of that. You want to make more, of course, you have to add up fund to your account. You have copy trading. We have a lot of things. You want hands-free. You don't do anything. Fund your account with $500. Cross your hands. Watch your account grow and you are making a lot of money. Not Ponzi scheme, not giving your money to a third party. It's not a third party thing. It's not investment scheme. Now talking about tools. Look at it. This is AI. Now, I have the software here. Now, it's called virtual assistants. If you search on it on TradingView, you can find it. It's a customized one. All right. So if I take it off now, I want to draw all this trend line. You're going to see that I can make some mistakes, right? So let me just disable it. These are softwares. These are scanners. Look at it. So that means I want to draw trend line. Perhaps you may not even spot the trend on time. You understand? So for beginners, it's difficult for them to just, number one, to even spot it is another problem for them to know that, oh, this is actually a trend. All right. The market was going up. And so it now starts confusing that this market is forming a kind of wedge. You see that? You see that? Right. Okay. So you can see now. So telling me, hey, you know what? This market could either break out of this point or break out of this point. Anyway, break out, then it's out. If break out to this point, of course. But if you even break out at this point, there's a certain thing you need to know. Then there is a liquidity available here. Okay. I'm not teaching, sorry.
I don't know, maybe because I love teaching. Now, there's a liquidity below here. It could come to sweep it before going up, or eventually just break down and then return back here. The next liquidity is down here. The next key level is here. So it could stop that and return down to this point, and that's it. Or what do we have? Market open next week. All right, market open next week. So you break out of this point, retest it, and travel up to this point. Wow, amazing. And it looks like that. It looks like that's what's going to happen. And this is GBP USD, perhaps. Now, so let's return my virtual assistant to keep drawing. Every time market changes, it draw and draw and draw and draw and draw and draw. Can you see? It draw and draw and draw and draw and draw and draw. Now, one thing is that AI software is different from robot. All right. So just like robotic algorithm, because okay, many people just hear robot. So now those of us who trade with robot, that is they call it expert advisor and all of that. Now, sometimes many of you, I know you've lost so much money on Forex, especially trading with robot. Likewise, me. Then if anyone tells you now that, okay, bring your money, let us connect to an account that's going to be trading with robot, you will not agree, because let me tell you the difference. The difference is this. Most of the robots we're using that time, EAs, they were not AI based, they were algorithm based. Now, algorithm based is a programmable thing. Now, one is being programmed. As the market enter here, buy like this and repeat buying like this. Now, for instance, when you say when market enter here, buy at this now and sell at this. Now it has bought. You now told it to sell at so price. But having bought at this so price, what happened? It's not going to sell because price never got up to that point. And so market keep going up or going down. It held that position it has bought, or even some that are programmed in martingale, it will be adding more until the whole money is wiped off. And these are the issues. Softwares, AI softwares is powerful. As things changes, it changes with it. Just imagine this is my trend line. You see the way it just happened. The trend line is changing over time. When the market move again, it move and define to you, this is the current situation of things. So these are examples of softwares and all of that. So we have scanner softwares that give you enter, look at it, buy, and it told me how strong the buy is. 62 from 60% and above is a good buy and strong buy. And looking at your price action, equally told you multiple weeks, add, grappling of sweep of liquidity and all of that. And then you are buying, you're buying. And then up, it tells you to sell here and all of that. Look at this, another block. This is auto-fitted. I don't draw any of this. I just click them, and then so you know how to put the number, you know how to interpret it. And so for me, it's to come back. What are they saying? What's the market saying? So I do not have the luxury of time. Yes, fine. Basic market analysis is important. Just like I do in my market. Okay, look at Bitcoin. I just came here. I drew this one. I have my plain chart where I do my analysis when I want to sit down to look at market overview and look at Bitcoin. It had been ranging. And if I want to be scalping, I will have just been scalping it. But I really want Bitcoin to actually cross above this point, or perhaps even reclaim this key level. And then we can be taking Bitcoin very seriously. But there are a lot of persons who go take Bitcoin too very seriously. Okay, like here, this is a range. People are scalping. They're scalping 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and all of that. It's already much money. That's the truth. Because if you look at it, entering at this point to this point, it's already a big money. Okay. So, but I'm just showing you solutions that are available. All right. Look at this as solution. Look at it. Look at gold when it spike up from this other block. These are auto fit. So I don't disturb myself for any of this. Okay. They are automatically fixed. And then for me to just come and say, what are they saying? Look at it. Now I'm taking you to another powerful things that's going to surprise you. All right. The software that will send you notification, allow notification. Look at the buy, look at gold. Imagine you are here with this kind of scanner who are already told to buy here. Yeah, that doesn't mean that it's 100% you will not lose some trade. So understand that you can lose some trade. But imagine telling you to buy here. Perhaps you're actually waiting to see how the confirmation, because this scanner is showing that the market is ranging here and it's not so strong. Let's say you even waited for here. Then, boom. Because after the news, the market was inducing gradually till after it finally pick up. And you can imagine it, even from here to this key level, it's a powerful move. Let's take it from here. After this engulfing candle, to this point, that's about 290 pips. Then if you stay up to this, that's about 370 pips. All right. These are fantastic and amazing stuff that can help you to make much money. Okay. So these are scanners that we have. So when you're in Capitalxtend, so look at what Bitcoin have done from this order block. Just a moment. Okay, so now, very simple. As you see, this market is going up, right? It has moved away from here gradually. And these are just like a kind of maybe scalping to scalp from here to here, or for somebody who have gotten entry here and then trying to take profits from here or moving up to this point. So these are different solutions that you have access to. Powerful automatic order block setup. Now, let me give you the conclusion of the matter. That's amazing. I'm going to share with you softwares that deliver to you, right, notification on your phone to enter market. Yeah, you hear me right. Notification on your phone that deliver to you, that take you to enter the market. So let's look at it. Funny enough, this software is available for all market, forex market, synthetic market, crypto market. So now, if you come into a platform, you're going to enjoy a lot of things. So let me share with you the stuff. Okay, so here is my screen. Now let me first show you the notification. Here is the notification. You see all of these things? They are notification for signal, okay, for me to either buy or sell, okay? Sorry about that. These are notification, okay? These are notification, okay? These are notification. Now, if I tap any of them now, okay? So let me tap. Now, it says sell volatility to this, and all of that. Now, I want to pick another one to just show you there's a powerful notifications we normally get called rejection. Okay, weekly volatility on this market. I want to get the one on rejection. It will tell you rejection level. Okay, good. Retracement Pro Max, sell Euro USD, advanced rejection at 1 point something Saturday, yada, rejection price has rejected this current zone for today, and then sell Euro USD now, and all of that. So now these are rejection point, and it's telling you, now what do I do when it just tells me this? Very simple, and I will show you how to do it. Now look at the lovely thing about this thing. Let me show you one thing. There's something very lovely about this stuff. There's something very lovely about this stuff. Now you see this place. Then look at this place. You see, set alert to close Euro USD sell. That is, if I buy now, I can keep alert when the market is about to reverse otherwise. Yes. Okay, so let me go say, I'll say Forex inbuilt chart. I go up here, Euro USD. Okay, I click on load. Okay, and then I click on settings. Sometimes I want to check the strength of the signal. So maybe because this is not time for trading, and now you see all of these signal, and then it will tell you if it's 95%, if it's 75%, if it's 80%, all right, accuracy. Now I click on weekly key levels. Now when I click on it, you can see, I can see the inbuilt chart to see where Euro USD is actually seated at. If I still want to click on daily chart and can check it and all of that. Now, if this had been checked and I know that, okay, I'm together, what do? I just go to my MT5. All All right, I just go to my MT5, very simple. If I go to my MT5, you could see if the trade is aligning. Okay, that is to say, let's go to Forex. So let's go to Forex. Let's go to Forex, okay? Even though you can't trade now. So this is Forex, Euro USD. So you just go there. So let's look at it. Where's Euro USD? Click, right? So imagine when it gave this signal, look at Euro USD, though this is 5 minutes. I go to look at Euro USD, look at it, look at 30 minutes. So by the time market is going to be opening, so I'm just showing you how this stuff give you signals. You go to your market, you pick your trade, you go to sleep. You don't give a damn. You take a soft life. Be okay, be fine. While others are struggling to do a lot of things and before they even get one thing, you've done this. This is one. Now, if I open the app itself, there are so many things you can do with the app. You can do voice command with the app. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at voice command, the app. So look at it. I go to, and then I tap this. Right? Command list. Command list. Command list. I actually want to use the voice command. Command list. Show command list.
Good morning. Thanks for asking me. Let me repeat your question. Show command list. I have loaded the command list page. Kindly look below the red box and scroll down to find all the commands that you need.
Bullish move.
Good morning. Wow, I'm so happy to help you out. Let me repeat your question. Bullish move 1 of CHF pair is fully ready to buy. Note of CHF pair has a very weak trend slow move. And please apply proper risk management. Secondly, kindly use the inbit chart to see if this signal is close to a support or a resistance before you place this trade on your account. 2. NZD CAD pair is fully ready to buy. Note NZD CAD pair has a very weak trend slow move. And please apply proper risk management. Secondly, kindly use the inbit chart to see if this signal is close to a support or a resistance before you place this trade on your account.
All right, you can see I've used the command list. If I want to go for synthetic now, synthetic command list.
Good morning. Thank you so much. Your enthusiasm is contagious. I'm happy to have been able to assist you, and I'm always here to help with any other questions. Let me repeat your question. Synthetic command list. I have loaded the synthetic command list page. Kindly look below the red box and scroll down to find all the commands that you need.
Check synthetic bullish move. Check synthetic bullish move.
Good morning. It is my pleasure to help you get a profitable signal. Let me repeat your question. Check synthetic bullish move now.
Check synthetic bearish move.
Good morning. Thank you so much. Your enthusiasm is contagious. I'm happy to have been able to assist you, and I'm always here to help with any other questions. Let me repeat your question. Check synthetic bearish move now.
Okay, so most of the time when you give you this, it give you signal. Now let me show you something that's so powerful about this. Now let's go to the Forex signal or synthetic, whichever one. Now if we go here, you see retracement, trading chart. Okay. Now, if you go to Forex tool, FS2, you see trading video, pips calculator, risk management, calculate loss, profit, generate key levels, right? Set key level alert, set price alert, 5 minute sniper entry, filter only, neutral trend, set trend alert, trend direction, right? Trending pairs, rejection mode zone, candle pattern alert. So let's click on this rejection mode. Now, this rejection mode, can you see now? I want to see, now it's giving you all of this thing. Now look at Bitcoin. It's still selling Bitcoin, right? Look at Bitcoin. And as at the time it was telling you to sell Bitcoin, that would have been massive, massive moves. Now, if I click on ADV Advanced, okay, give you those selections of their level that were and all of that. So, but because we're not in a session now, so let's go to the synthetic. Okay, let's go to the synthetic. This is a powerful, right? This is amazing. That you can, I'm telling you. So this is synthetic and then synthetic tool. The same thing, rejection zone. I click on rejection zone. So look at drift, right? I don't want this drift. Okay. So look at this one. Let me check the one I will love. Okay, look at 10. You say buy. At what time? This is yes, today. You say buy, and that look at this volatility 100, volatility 50, all right, volatility 71 or 75 1s. All of these are to, okay, this one is to buy, this one is to sell at an advanced level. All right, so now let's go. This one, so let's say I want to take volatility 10, something like that, okay? Or I want to take 75 1s. So let's look at, since the two of them are buy, 75 1s, 75 1s is a buy. Here, 10 1s is a buy. So okay, let's go to MT5. So let's go to derivative synthetics. So let's go to derivative synthetics. Then the same thing you do on well trade synthetic. Okay, I said this one's supposed to be selling anyhow. So we go to 10 1s, I think so. Is it 10 1s? Because it's at the rejection level. Yeah, I think this 10 1s at the rejection level that you should be buying and all of that. Then we have 75 1s. That's at the rejection level. Okay, so let's go. Is it one here? There was one that says sell. I think, is it 50 or 51s? Okay, so in that order, you just check and see the one that are available, because it will tell you to check, use in the inbuilt chart to know which one to go for as much as possible. All right. So look at 101x. Okay, 101x. 101s. Yeah, if it's not the instrument I trade, I don't look at it. Okay, it's already at the resistance point. Look at it. And I think you're selling that next is for the sell and all of that. If you come back in the next few hours, you're going to see something about this particular instrument. You probably will have sold. Okay, so this is software for you. It's just going to give you chance of entry, fantastic, making money instead of disturbing yourself unnecessarily. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best time to be alive. Seriously, this is the best time to be alive. This is the best time to be alive. So we don't struggle in the market. We just take advantage of AI. AI reduce stress for us. Don't need to bother yourself unnecessarily. Just trade soft. Seriously, just trade soft. And you just be making money. All right. Of course, your discipline is required. Like, okay, I was telling you guys this. I said, if you're here, because I've already boxed here, this is a range. Now, this is the you can inducement. So trying to gather liquidity and all of that. So if I have longer throw to trade, yeah, I will have taken a position here. Of course, my stop loss because just kind of gambling because that's created another expansion here. So, but this wants to stand. Then that means I will have taken an entry. So let me look at it after this for me. Then targeting this. So to this is 488 points. That's 48 pips. That's big. All right, that's big and all of that. So that's what it is, ladies and gentlemen. You make money, you with ease, you reduce unnecessary stress, no hassle, and then you'll be bubbling and fine. So gradually, you just gather the liquidity. And so if we're able to sail through, then we have a bounce next week. If we're unable to sail through, then we'll have another massive one leg down to 104, 106,000, 104,000 for Bitcoin. But if we're able to have a proper stop, then that means we should be gradually getting up. Because if you look at it, Bitcoin right now, yesterday low have been swept. Okay, this is it. Yesterday low have been swept already, which is here. So that means we have broke the structure, and then yesterday low being swept. So this is 15-minute low. Yeah, you have a high here, and which means there's this market structure shift, all right, or what you call change of character. And then so afterward you want it to, so funny enough, we have so many fair value gap here, yeah, up to this point, yeah. So should be touched into. After that, we should have a move. And so that means maybe today you could have Bitcoin rallied up to 111,000. So perhaps so that is for people who are sniper entry traders will have done some kind of bit of analysis down here. But if you look at it logically, if you go down to where you want to still stream it, I would love that this place is broken, that range is properly broken and retested, then you should be. So if you are taking any trade now, it's actually like, aha, look at what I'm saying. So we need to break above this point, retest it, and then we can be so okay, we're good. The next time, but Kappa will have been making some money, you know that. Because after this and then this, they've taken some profit, just like what I showed to us and all of that. But you need to break above this, then eventually travel to 111,000 plus 111,600, then breaking all of those barriers back up again, as it were. Okay, and so that's why this I marked it a range. Then, but if it's unable to make it, and take off all of these, the low. This is the low, and this is the low of yesterday. So it's already swept. Okay, so no liquidity, no volume. Okay, to push up. There's so much fair value gap here and all of that. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is fantastic. This is FELIX with Jimo. I'm the team leader of Plan B Express. What we have for you is amazing. Look no further. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. In Capitalxtend, I have told you to register. Go to the comment section. You see a link there. Register, fill your details, do everything, and then get your account funded with a minimum of $100, and that you have access, to the first free 1 month of that software that give you notification. Yeah, that software is powerful, but subscription afterward is actually supposed to be $100, or will give you free for the first 1 month. After that free 1 month, then we can discuss more detail about how you can now pay for your subscriptions and let us ride in using the softwares. And you have good support system with us. And of course, the copy trading, that's a direction to how you can use the copy trading to trade, and that's going to be beneficial for you. Okay, then the same way, if you're trading synthetics, you're trading synthetic indices using what's it called, deriv, we clearly have amazing style of trading synthetic for you, and that's going to be lovely. So this is very important. What I'm showing to you is very important. You can't afford to miss anything around this. If you still derive well trade synthetic, you trade, that's amazing to you first. We have a lot of strategy and pattern we use in trading, all of them, and then you're going to love them seriously. And then the software still give you signal to trade all of these things I've just mentioned. Okay, so these are scalping mode. And ladies and gentlemen, it's so powerful, it's so amazing, and many persons have confirmed how this space had really helped them. Okay, so if you are not working in this space, making money, stretching and building a lot of momentum, then you actually changing so many things. Okay, because this is just to make things easy for you, make things soft, and then you'll be making a lot of money. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Midas Jima. I'm the team leader of Plan B Express. So go to the comment section, click on the link there, and then register your detail, and let us show you how to take advantage of this environment. Does that make sense? I know it does really, really, really make sense. Okay, thank you very much. Watch other video that we've done about these softwares and all the scanners that I have access to. It's going to be very powerful for you. And then it's so beneficial for you. You want to chat up with us, chat with this number +234 9047044998. Take the number again, +234 9047044998. Thank you very much. Until I come your way again, my name is Medase Falejimo, the team lead of Plan B Express. Bye for now. Cheers.